Mini Minds presents Fun with Shapes. Let's learn and explore.
Shapes, shapes, everywhere you go, and the things we love and know. So many shapes, so much to see. Shapes are amazing, just like you and me. Shapes are fun, shapes are cool. We see them everywhere at home and school. Shapes are here, shapes are there. Come along, let's learn and share. A circle is round, round and round. No corners, no sides, it just spins around. Like a coin, like a wheel, it's easy to see. The sun and the moon, that's what a circle can be. A square has four sides, all the same length. With four equal corners, it's strong in strength. Like a box, like a tile, or a checkerboard piece. A square is so neat, it brings a sense of peace. A triangle has three sides, pointy and fine. With three angles too, it makes a cool design. Like a slice of pizza or a mountain peak. Triangles are sharp, strong and unique. A rectangle has four sides, too short, too long. Like a door, like a book, it fits in a song. A playground slide, a flag flying high. Rectangles are found, reaching for the sky. An oval is like a circle stretched out wide. Like an egg or a mirror with curves on each side. A racetrack or a balloon in the air. Ovals are graceful, beyond compare. A star has points, usually five or more. Like twinkling lights up in the night sky's door. Stars on a flag or in a fairy tale. Stars are magical, they never fail. Shapes are all around us in the things we see. From circles to stars, what fun it can be. Learning about shapes is like a joyful ride. Shapes make our world come alive with pride. A heart is a shape that shows love and care. With two curves on top and a point down there. Like a Valentine card or a candy treat. Hearts are sweet, they're hard to beat. A diamond is like a square on its tip. With four sides angled, it's a real flip. Like a kite in the sky or a shining gem. Diamonds sparkle, they're a true gem. A hexagon has six sides, all equal and neat. Like a honeycomb or a sidewalk sweet treat. Six angles, six sides, a pattern so fine. Hexagons are awesome, they're just divine. An octagon has eight sides, like a stop sign we see. With eight corners too, it's a shape that's key. Like a traffic stop or a fun game piece. Octagons are cool, they never cease. A pentagon has five sides, strong and wide. Like the famous building where secrets hide. Like a home plate in baseball or a star center. Pentagons are bold, they're true mentors. A crescent looks like the moon in the night. With a curve so gentle, it's a lovely sight. Like a banana or a smiling face. Crescents are magical, they fill up the space. Shapes, shapes everywhere, aware around. Let's learn about shapes, come make a sound. Shapes, shapes, let's explore and see. So many shapes, what can they be? Shapes are all around us, in the things we see. From circles to stars, heart to crescent, what fun it can be. Learning about shapes is like a joyful ride. Shapes make our world come alive with pride.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for latest updates.